program that's a little over $1 a day. I can't think of one that's this cost effective. You are absolutely worth it.
My chocolate bar a day program is a little over $1 a day.
You know, you go get a coffee, those are like $3. You know, or 3 Loopies or whatever they're called. What are they called? Looties. What? Loopies.
Oh, I love it. That is hilarious.
They are. They're 3 Loopies.
3 Loopies a day.
I think I'm 3 Loopy now.
That is awesome.
So anyway, the whole point is, you know, this is so effective. It's so cost effective. You can do this. Stop laughing.
I'm just counting my Loopies in my pocket here. Okay. Yeah.
What's the double Loopy then? What's
the double Loopy?
The double Loopy?
That's what it's called.
The duty?
The duty. Got any duty in your pocket? Here's the toonie.
Okay, the toonie.
Anyway, yeah.
Gotcha. All right.
We're just learning Canadian currency. That's okay. No, that's funny. That's great.
Exactly.
You're so honest, though, and I love that. We love that. You know what? That's great.
All right. So, now that I'm embarrassing myself, the other thing